Hello everyone, this is our 20th video tutorial under the GCSE topic revision guide called Capture and Recapture. This is one of the technique used in statistics to find out the total estimate number of population in a given sample. We have made a theory slide which explains the equation we are going to use this topic and some assumptions you need to remember they might ask in the question. Let's look at the theory first. Hi, this is the video tutorial. We're going to discuss this tutorial, capture and recapture technique. You can download this tutorial from our website at www.smart-tutors.co.uk/worksheet.php. Let's look at the theory first before do the questions. This is the theory, capture and recapture method. So the only one equation you need to remember, capital M over capital P equals small m over small p. The capital M means number of the members captured initially and tagged. Capital P is total population size to be estimated. So this is the question, this is the estimated population we need to find. The capital P is going to be the question mark. The other side, the right hand side, number of tagged members in the second sample. And the bottom is small p, number of members captured in the second sample. So the total number of the members in the second sample is P, of which the tagged people are M. Let's look at some question, then only you understand. A group of students want to estimate the number of fish that lives in a pond. They catch 45 fish and tag them and return to the pond. So 45 fish, they caught them and after that they tag it and release it to the pond. So the 45 is going to be the capital M, members captured initially and tagged. So 45 on the top left corner. Capital P is the population of the fish we need to find in the pond. The next day, so that is the second sample, the next day they catch 60 fish. So the total is 60, that goes to the bottom. So that is the number of members captured in the second sample. Of these 60 fish, 18 are tagged. So when they caught the 60 fish, 18 of them with the mark, the tag. So 18 on the top. So do a cross multiplication. 18 times P is 18P equals 60 times 45. So P equal 60 times 45 divided by 18. So P equal 150. So that is the 150, roughly 150 fish going to be in the pond. So let's look at some exam style question. Rana wants to estimate the number of balls in a bag. On Monday, Rana removes 120 balls from the bag. She puts a mark on each ball. Then she puts all the 120 back into the bag. So this is the first day. So that is Monday, right? So Monday she did this exercise. And on Tuesday, Rana removes 20 balls from the bag. 8 of these balls have a mark, right? So this is the second sample, so which happened on Tuesday. Right, work out an estimate for the total number of balls in the bag. So the only equation you need to remember, capital M over capital P equal small m over small p. So capital M is going to be 120 over capital P is the amount we need to find out equal small m equal 8 over 20. Right? So if I cross multiply, 8P equal 120 times 20. So P equal 120 times 20 over 8. So P equal, so you can simplify or you can use the calculator to find the answer. So 120 times 20 divided by 8. So that's going to be 300. So roughly 300 balls total in that bag, or in the gym or somewhere where runner doing some exercise, so sports. Work out an estimate. So that is the answer for the question number 1. You must write down any assumption you have made. So the assumptions are, right, so in this capture recapture method, we need to assume if it is a living species, like it has to be, there's no newborn or there's no death. So make sure the mark she is putting going to be stay until she coming back on Tuesday. So let me write down the assumptions here. So the assumption you can say for this question, right? So there is no new purchase of any balls, and you can say no removals of any balls from the bag, and the marking means the tag she is putting, the marking on the ball stay until Tuesday. So these are the assumptions for the question number 1. So if the marking is gone, like wiped away, so there's the entire technique is going to be invalid. So the marking what she put is a kind of a colored marker pen or tagged with a different small pin or something like that. So the permanent mark will stay until she does the second experiment. So that's all you need to remember. Second question. So the second question, let me do this one quickly. Read the question. Clive wants to estimate the number of bees in a beehive. Clive catches 50 bees from the beehive. He marks each bee with a die. He then lets the bees go. The next day, Clive catches 40 bees from the beehive. 8 of these bees have the mark. So estimate. So all what we want to do is, so this is like you need to remember the equation. That is the important thing. So capital M over capital P equals small m over small p. So capital M we know 50 over p equal 8 over 40, right? So 8p equal 50 times 40. So p equal 50 times 40 over 8. So 8 goes into 1, 8 goes into 5. 5 times 0, 0. 5 times 5 is 255. So 250 is the total number of bees in the beehive. Estimate, right? Roughly. Write down the assumption you have made here. So the assumption you can say, so no death of any bees, and what else we can say, no new birth of any bees, and marking of die will remain until the next day. Right, so that is the assumption we need to learn from there. Question number 3. A farmer wants to estimate the number of rabbits on his farm. On Monday, he catches 120 rabbits. He puts the tag on each rabbit. He then lets the rabbits run away. On Tuesday, the farmer catches 70. Out of 15 of them have a tag. So capital M over capital P equals small m over small p. So 120 over capital P, 15 over 70, right? So P equal 120 times 70 over 15, right? So let's work out the answer for this one. 120 times 70 equal this one, divide by 15 is 560. So 560 is the population for the rabbits, right? And you must write down any assumption you have made. So assumption, you can say no new birth. You can say no new birth of rabbits, no death. What else? The tagging will remain until the next day. Right, so that is the assumption for the question number 3. Question number 4. So question number 4, on Monday, Nadia met 100 students in the university and mark a tattoo with their favorite animal. So again, capital M over capital P equals small m over small p, and 100 students, we don't know what is the total. On Tuesday, he met 40 students, of which 6 of them have the tattoo. So 6 over 40. So capital P equal 40 times 100 divide by 6. So P equal and 40 times 100 equal that one divided by 6. 666.67. So 666.67. So roughly it's estimates. If you see the question is roughly what? So you can say population is roughly is 667, right? It can't be like, you can say 666, it doesn't matter. So it's rough amount. In the marking scheme, you have a range of answer possible, right? So that is the answer for question number 4. Question number 5. A scientific study uses a capture-recapture technique. In the first stage of the study, 24 crocodiles were caught. So that is the initial stage. Later in the second stage of the study, some crocodiles were captured from the same area. 18 of these found to be tagged. So 18 of the crocodile have a tagged, right? So this tagging is going to be 40% of the total population during the second stage. How many crocodiles were captured in total during the second stage of the study? So the easiest way to do is 40% is 18 means 20% is half of it is 9, and 100% you need to times it by 5. So 100% is 5 times 9 is 45. So 45 is the total number of crocodiles were caught on the second stage. So capital M over capital P over small m, m over small p. Capital M is what? 24 over capital P. Small m is what? 18 they caught out of 45. So now capital P equal 24 times 45 over 18. So that answer is, so 24 times 45 divided by 18. So 60. So population is 60. So calculate an estimated, so that is for the B part, and A part is this one. Question number 6. Hamza used a capture-recapture technique to estimate the number of trout living in a dam. She caught, tagged, released 20 trout. So 20 over population, we don't know. Later she caught 36. Out of 36, 8 of them having tagged. So 8 over 36. What estimate should Hamza based on her capture-recapture technique? So P equal 20 times 36 over 8. So P equal, so you can use the calculator for this one. So 20 times 36 divided by 8. So 90. So P equal 90. So question number 7. Yusuf used a capture-recapture technique to estimate the number of kangaroos living in a particular area. He caught, tagged, released 50 kangaroos. So 50 over P. So remember the equation, M over P equal small m over small p. So 50 over P equal, later he caught 200 kangaroos. Out of 200, 5 of them had been tagged. So what is the correct estimate of the total number of? So P equal 50 times 200 over 5. So P equal, so 50 times 200 divided by 5. So 2000 is the total number of kangaroos may have the population this in the question. That is the end of the question. I hope you understand the technique is only one equation, capital M over capital P equal small m over small p. So you need to understand the two-stage process. 3 data given, substitute the value and you can find the total population. You can download the tutorial from our website at smart-tutors.co.uk/worksheet.php. I hope you like the video. If you do like the video, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel to watch the all upcoming videos. Thank you very much.